Welcome to my health channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you use Coca-Cola and whitening and Colgate for skin smoothening or smoothening of the skin. How can you use Coca-Cola and Colgate for skin smoothening? So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos. We are going to do it in a practical way, but first of all, we must know what does this Colgate here contains. Colgate, it contains mostly calcium and fluorides. It protects all around teeth surfaces, even in places of toothbrushes does not always reach. It helps strengthening the teeth for maximum cavity protection. But also Colgate, it contains sodium monofluorophosphate. So through these contents and through the contents which has Coca-Cola, I'm going to show you how can you smoothen the skin by using a mixture of Coca-Cola and Colgate. So let's start. Yes, so after seeing how the experiment is done, so when you make that mixture, so that mixture will be using it to apply to the skin, or apply to the place where you see that your skin is not soft. By applying that for several days, it will make your skin to become more softer. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment for more healthy videos. Thank you.